Building a food and beverage facility presents a lot of challenges. Today I'm going to talk to you about 5 costly mistakes you can avoid when installing your new Resinous flooring system. If at all possible, try and avoid installing the equipment prior to your Resinous flooring being applied. When the area is open, this allows our contractors to get proper prep, secure engineering details, and provide a flooring system that will have a long-term bond and perform to the customer expectation. Make sure you're setting up a semi-annual inspection so your Resinous flooring provider can identify problems early to avoid big problems later. Just like Rome wasn't built in a day, neither was your food plant. Make sure that you take the time to lay out a proper installation schedule for your floor, which includes prep, installation, and cure time. Rush schedules lead to missed details, which ultimately could affect the life of your floor. Make sure you have a proper plan with enough time for successful installation. If you plan to install a new floor in an existing facility, prior to doing so, you really need to understand what we're dealing with. Whether it be old concrete, an existing floor, or some other type of finish that you're looking to cover, you need to make sure that the proper testing and evaluation has been done. Ever heard the phrase lipstick on a pig? It applies in Resinous flooring too. Make sure you're properly testing via core sampling or other methods to ensure that your new floor system will work well with the existing substrate that you have. If you're building a new facility, make sure that your concrete is properly sloped to your new drains. This will allow your new Resinous floor to follow the contour and allow water to get out of the facility without puddling and or getting caught by your drains. The other piece to consider is the connection point. Remember, we have flooring, concrete, and drains all meeting in one place. It's critical that the proper engineering details are utilized so that the floor can perform without disbonding, cracking, or creating future problems. Make sure you talk to your Resinous flooring provider to get the proper engineering details installed around your drains. These 5 mistakes, amongst others, are why getting it right matters. Avoiding things like construction delays, future failures, long-term performance, and potential hazards with your floor. Paying attention to these details during the construction process are key for the long-term success of your project. Want to learn more? Come partner with the experts. Stonhard has over 100 years experience in both installation and manufacturing of our products. We provide a full turnkey solution with local representation and installation crews. We will evaluate your site, help you identify your needs, make a recommendation, and install upon that recommended product.